Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Regeneron Pharmaceuticals stock. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To effectively address the issues with Regeneron Pharmaceuticals stock, begin by analyzing recent performance trends. Collect data on stock price movements over the past year. Examine financial statements to understand earnings, revenue, and debt levels. Research news articles and press releases regarding recent company developments. Review analyst ratings to gauge investor sentiment and expert opinions. Identify the catalyst for stock price fluctuations, such as product launches or trial results. Assess the competitive landscape, focusing on how Regeneron compares to its counterparts. Evaluate the pipeline of drugs currently in development. Check for diversification in their product offerings to mitigate risks. Consider macroeconomic factors that might be affecting the biotechnology sector. Develop a risk assessment to determine potential investment outcomes. Create a balanced portfolio strategy that includes Regeneron as part of a broader investment plan. Monitor regulatory updates that might impact the company's future. Stay updated on stock market trends and investor behavior in the pharma sector. Evaluate the overall market sentiment towards healthcare stocks. Consult with financial advisors if necessary to refine your investment strategy. Finally, determine your exit strategy, setting clear targets for profit and loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.